Hello everyone, starting today on the topic of physics and chocolate, and hope you will come to know something about this. All of us may have tried to make a chocolate at least once. This consumption was done in the ancient Myanmar civilization and later to the manufacturing companies like Cadbury Dairy Milks, Hershey's chocolate syrup and Nestle. But how could you make chocolate? Here are some ingredients with science. You need cocoa bean, which is also called as cocoa mass, sugar or jaggery, cocoa butter, and soy lecithin. Here, cocoa beans, cocoa butter, and soy lecithin acts as emulsifiers. Cocoa butter is represented as a triglyceride molecule and it is highly hydrophobic too. And cocoa mass is represented as a serotonin molecule. This is highly hydrophobic than cocoa butter. Soy lecithin has amphiphilic molecule. Amphiphilic molecule, in other ways we can say it as emulsifier. The amphiphilic compound, it is naturally found in cocoa bean and it is also added while producing the chocolate. But the chocolate of any shape comes to a liquid phase somehow. How is it possible? It is because the cocoa butter fat in the chocolate has a melting transition temperature of 97 degree Fahrenheit. 97 Fahrenheit is close to the body temperature. But below 97 Fahrenheit, the chocolate is a solid and the hand temperature is measured to be 80 to 90 Fahrenheit. And this is the reason why the chocolate melts in mouth than in hand. But above 97 Fahrenheit or the 97 Fahrenheit, the cocoa butter exists in a liquid phase. There are lots of chocolates: milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, and Belgium dark chocolate, and so on. Which of the chocolate first melts in your mouth? It is milk chocolate that melts at lower temperature than the dark chocolate. Melting temperature depends on the material composition and on the shape of the fat molecules. Cocoa butter melts at around your body temperature. As mentioned, emulsification, the role plays a major component in this chocolate making. Every food has a storage. Likewise, chocolate too has a storage. It is called as tempering. Chocolatiers control the size and type of crystals that form by gently heating and cooling the chocolate while solidifies in a process called tempering. In this process, tempering, it promotes the formation of seed crystals from the right type and homogeneous size and results in the chocolate that looks glossy and snaps when you break it. But once the chocolate is stored improperly, the desirable type of the crystal melts and resolidifies into the form that yields chocolate that no longer has been sheen and has crumbles when it gets broken. We can consider the formation of solid material from the liquid, and this is solidification. The solidification occurs upon a decrease in temperature as molecules move more slowly from the order clustered as they cool clumps of orders. And more importantly, the resulting crystalline forms affects the material's mechanical properties. And all this has a physics in it. Structure, properties of matter, shape, color, texture of the chocolate, and other things like nucleation, crystallization helps to explain about the chocolate texture. How does the chocolate looks even beautiful and more tastier to eat. Hope you know something about the chocolate, and thank you so much for watching the video.